Hi, welcome to English Hamster. Are you learning English? Great. Here we learn through stories. They are simple and interesting. You can improve English while learning knowledge. Remember to subscribe, like and comment. Let's get started.
Do you like movies and TV shows in English? Many people watch them every day, but they do not really learn. What if your fun time could become strong English practice? This sounds easy, but many learners feel lost and tired. They hear fast speech, new words, and many voices at one time. So they stop and they think English is too hard. But learning can be fun and smart at the same time. Movies and TV shows can help you speak and listen better. They show real people, real talk, and real-life feelings. You can hear how words sound in daily life. You can see faces, actions, and stories help you understand. If you learn the right way, English can feel alive. Do you want to learn English like a pro, not a beginner? Do you want to enjoy stories and also grow your skills? In this talk, I share simple ideas that really work. Some ideas are good, but some ways can be bad too. I will tell you both, because learning needs truth. Let us start this English journey together, step by step. When you use movies and TV shows, your brain feels happy. You do not feel like you study, but you really learn. This is because stories touch your heart and your mind. You remember faces, places, and feelings with the words. This helps your memory stay strong for a long time. Books are good, but stories on screen feel more real. Many learners think they must understand every word they hear. This idea can make you feel slow and stressed. In real life, even native speakers miss words sometimes. You only need to understand the main idea of the scene. Pictures, actions, and sound help you guess meaning. This makes learning softer and less scary. Imagine a short TV show about family life. The people talk about food, work, and daily plans. They use easy words again and again in many scenes. When you hear the same word many times, it feels friendly. Soon you know the word without a book or teacher. This is how natural learning starts. Movies also show how English sounds in real speed. In class, teachers speak slow and clear for students, but real people speak fast and cut some sounds. At first, this can feel hard and even painful, but your ears slowly learn the rhythm and music. After time, fast English does not feel so fast. Still, movies and TV shows are not always perfect teachers. Some shows use slang or strange jokes that confuse learners. Some movies speak very fast or use old words. If you choose the wrong show, you may feel lost. This can make you stop learning and feel sad. So choice is very important for success. For A2 learners, simple stories work best. Shows about daily life help more than action movies. Clear voices and calm speed make listening easier. You can start with short episodes, not long movies. This helps you stay focused and not too tired. Learning works best when you feel relaxed. Subtitles can help, but they can also hurt learning. If you read all the time, you stop listening. Your eyes work, but your ears sleep. English subtitles are better than subtitles in your language. They help you see how words match the sound. After time, try to turn subtitles off. Some learners watch many shows but never speak. They understand more, but their mouth feels shy. Learning English also needs speaking practice. You can stop a scene and repeat one short line. Say it slow, then say it with feeling. This builds courage and clear sound. It is also good to watch the same show again. The first time, you follow the story only. The second time, you hear more words and details. Your brain feels proud because it understands more. This small success gives you strong motivation. Motivation is a big key in language learning. Movies show culture, but culture can be tricky. Some actions or jokes feel strange to learners. You do not need to understand everything about culture. Focus on language, tone, and simple meaning. Over time, culture will feel more natural. Do not worry too much in the beginning. Learning like a pro means learning with balance. Fun is important, but focus is important too. If you only watch for fun, progress is slow. If you only study hard, joy can disappear. Movies and TV shows sit in the middle. They bring joy and learning together. Let me tell you a small story about a learner. Her name is Anna, and she felt scared of English before. She studied many books, but listening was always hard. One day, she started a simple TV show in English. The story was about friends, work, and small problems. At first, she understood only half of the words. Anna did not stop because the story felt warm and real. She watched one short episode every evening after dinner. She did not hurry and did not watch many shows. She listened, smiled, and tried to feel the meaning. After 2 weeks, some lines felt easy and clear. Her ears started to wake up. She also made some mistakes, like many learners do. One week, she chose a fast action movie. The people spoke very fast and shouted a lot. She felt tired and could not follow the story. That night, she felt English was too hard again, but she learned something important from this feeling. Anna went back to her simple TV show the next day. She learned that easy content brings strong progress. Hard content can wait for a later time. This lesson is important for all learners. You do not need to challenge yourself every day. You need to build skills step by step. Movies also help you feel emotions in English. When a character feels happy, sad, or angry, you feel it too. Emotion helps your brain remember words and sounds. If a line makes you laugh, you remember it longer. This is stronger than learning from a word list. Feeling is a powerful teacher. But movies can also lie to you sometimes. Some movies show unreal talk and drama words. People speak in ways normal people do not speak. If you copy everything, your English may sound strange. This is why balance is important again. Use movies as help, not as your only guide. Another good idea is to pause and think. After one short scene, stop the video. Ask yourself simple questions about what you heard. Who spoke and what did they want? You do not need to write or take notes. Just think in your head for 1 minute. Time is also an important part of learning. Watching for 10 minutes every day is enough. You do not need 2 hours at one time. Short and regular practice works better for the brain. Your mind stays fresh and open. This way, learning feels light and friendly. Some learners feel shy to learn alone. They think learning needs a teacher or class. Movies and TV shows can be your quiet teacher. They are always ready and never get angry. You can pause, repeat, or stop anytime. This gives you freedom and control. Learning English like a pro does not mean being perfect. It means being patient and smart with your tools. Movies and TV shows are strong tools if used well. They can also waste time if used in a bad way. The difference is in how you watch. Your choice makes the result. Now you can see that movies and TV shows are powerful helpers. They bring English into your life in a natural way. You hear real voices, real feelings, and real stories. This helps your listening grow without heavy study. For A2 learners, this way feels friendly and possible. Learning does not need to feel cold or boring. But this tool also has limits, and you must respect them. Not every movie is good for learning. Not every show fits your level or your goal. If you choose badly, you may feel tired or lost. So always listen to your feeling while learning. Your feeling often tells the truth. Learning like a pro means knowing when to push and when to rest. It means enjoying stories but also staying awake and active. Do not just watch with empty eyes and ears. Listen, feel, and think in small moments. Speak a little, repeat a line, and smile. These small actions bring big change over time. English is not only a school subject or test, it is a living language full of sound and emotion. Movies and TV shows open this living world to you. They invite you to listen, feel, and join the story. If you walk this path slowly and kindly, you will grow. And one day, English will feel like a friend, not a fear.
Hey, if you learned something new today, please give this video a like. Write your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to the channel. It only takes a second and it really helps to create more English videos for you. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.